Hello everybody, it's Jani from LiquidBlox. In this tutorial I will show you how to create a custom 404 error page. I have actually already created the page with the funny graphic and the text element below that says go to home page that links directly to the front page of the site. But let's go back to the error page. This is not a functional error page yet. And we can try it out if I just go to the URL and type something crazy and hit enter. So it takes us to the LiquidBlox default error page, which is quite sad looking. Alright, so now we are in the LiquidBlox page editor. You can actually see how the page is built out. Let's go to the page manager and you can see the error page over here. But we need to activate the site which says Vintage Auto Parts and Service. And from the site settings, we choose the error page to be our error page. So the page called error page is the error page and hit save. Close the page manager, publish the page, the current page again. That's enough to do it. And now with the published version, when we just go crazy with the URL, type something that cannot be found, so you can see that the same error page pops up. If we go to service page, do the same thing, go crazy with the URL, address is wrong, page cannot be found, and it works, and we can get always back to the front page. All the LiquidBlox features are available when making error pages, so go crazy with the design and surprise us with your 404 error page. See you next time.